Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person. Cyndy CJAY. So this is to 12 in the afternoon. I just got back from shopping and I put a little clip of that because I tried to vlog it a little bit. So I just came back from shopping. I went to Tesco and Aldi, bought a few things. I will unpack that now and then I'll start cooking. I have like 3 hours 30 minutes to finish cooking before I go pick Susu and her sister off from school. Yeah, so but I'm cooking fried rice, coconut rice, stew, and beans and potato. Yeah, so these are the 4 items I hope to finish cooking before 3:30. Let's see how it goes. If I can finish it before then, fine, but if I can't, maybe when I pick Susu and come back, I finish up. Yeah, so let me show you guys the bags I just came back from Aldi shopping with. So these are the bags that just came back. I've emptied one. I bought chicken as well. So this is chicken wings, chicken legs, and this is chicken drumstick here. And I've peeled my ginger and garlic. I just want to blend this and store it in my cube thingy. I have this my tomato from my garden. I'm using that to cook stew. Some other items here I've already brought out. All these I'll be using to cook. So guys, let's start cooking. Like I said, I don't know if I'll carry you guys along step by step, but I'm sure you guys will enjoy this vlog. Okay, so let's start. So while I'm cooking, I'll be listening to some maybe podcast or something with my phone. So I'm watching Lazy View, one of our recent videos.
It's me, your girl, Pariston Neze, and this is Nezebel.
So guys, on this day I had a lot to cook. Like I said, I cooked fried rice, I cooked coconut rice, stew, and then beans and plantain with potato. It was a lot, you guys. And the thing with living abroad, yeah, I know, let me just talk about it. You know, we don't really have helps here, so you do everything by yourself. And on this day, the kids, they've gone to school in the morning, so I was just doing everything from the food item shopping. I told you guys I went to Aldi and Tesco. I did that by myself. Immediately I came back, I started prepping all the items to cook, and I also have school runs to pick the kids. It's a lot, but yeah, it's not what I do all the time. I don't bulk cook every time, so it's like maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even 1 month I've not even cooked. You just take the ones from the freezer and then cook, and maybe once I might just cook pasta, I might just cook something simple. Yeah, but on the days of bulk cooking, oh my god, it's a nightmare. It's a lot when you have to do the shopping, do the cooking, do the prepping, the cooking, do the packing, and then start cleaning up. You see that cleaning up part after cooking, oh dear, it can be overwhelming. But anywho, we are not complaining. Yeah, so I just take my time. The day I know I'm doing this, obviously I'm not going to work on that day. I'll just take the whole of that day, do the cooking, and that is it till whenever. So enjoy watching. So this is the tomatoes from my garden. This is my garden here. If you guys can see, it's my pot garden. So I'll be using two. And then this tomato I will use all to cook my stew. So let me just use this here. So I'll be using this for my coconut rice, and I'll be using this for the fried rice. And I've washed all the vegetables here. So I'll be using these vegetables for both the coconut and the fried rice, but a little for the coconut rice anyways. So I've washed them now. Guys, this is past one. So far so good. We're making progress. And I made this parfait yesterday. I've not used it this morning, so I'm working on this parfait now. So guys, when I finished dicing, slicing and cutting all my veggies, and then I started frying, I fry my fried rice bit by bit, yeah. But on this day I was running out of time, so I had to use 2 pots, 1 pot and 1 frying pan to fry. I was frying 2 at once just to be fast. Like I said, I wanted to go pick my kids from school, so I needed to be as fast as I can. So this is me frying my rice with a pot and a frying pan just to make it easier. You guys say if you taste this fried rice, well, you guys know what I can do. You guys already know my cooking skills. All right guys, enjoy watching. So I fried this one and these two are frying. It's gonna be a large pot of fried. Coconut milk. Second one. I want the taste of the coconut to really come out well, so that's why I'm putting 2 inside this coconut rice. Then when I'm done cooking the coconut rice, I'll be garnishing with this. Guys, let me quickly blend these tomatoes and then I'll be off to go pick Soso from school because this is 3 o'clock. And normally I'm supposed to have left by now so that I'll see where to park, but I think I'll have to park far away and walk down. So once I'm done blending these tomatoes, I'll put it on fire, then I'll go upstairs to start dressing up. By the way, this is my new blender sorter. I'm sure you guys saw the unboxing. So yeah. So this is my tomatoes from my garden. So let me quickly wash it and blend. I don't think I should be blending these tomatoes. I don't think it's for stew. It's cherry tomatoes. You can eat it like that. But let me just blend it anyways. Since I'm cooking stew, I'll just blend it and yeah. Very nice. Should I just leave these tomatoes or be eating it? In fact, I'm not blending it. I'll be munching on it. But I'm doing salad, I might use it to mix salad. Yeah.
the dishes.